तो बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टेल मी what is your subject, main verb and object. After that make all negative sentences.
My subject name is mother, his mother, and main verb is go, and object is temple.
Good. Make all negative sentences.
Sir, his mother does not go to temple. His mother did not go to temple. His mother will not go to temple.
बेटा to the temple, that लगा दो आगे.
Go to his mother will not go to temple. His mother is not going to temple. His mother was not going to temple. His mother will not be going to temple. His mother had not gone to temple. His mother had not gone to temple. His mother will not have gone to temple. His mother had not been going to temple since morning. His mother had not going to temple since morning. His mother will not have been going to temple since morning.
Very good. All sentences were totally correct. Only you should have to before temple. ठीक है बेटा. And बेटा you tell me what is your subject, main verb and object.
Sir, my subject my main verb
Worship.
worshipped and no object.
Very good. Make all negative sentences.
He does not worship, he did not worship, he will not worship, he is not worshipping, he was not worshipping, he will not be worshipping, he has not worshipped, he had not worshipped, he will not have worshipped, he has not been worshipping for one month, he had not been worshipping for 1 month, he will not have been worshipping for 1 month.
Very good बेटा. All sentences are totally correct. Clap for him. Now you tell me first of all what is your subject, main verb and object.
My subject name is Mohan, and my main verb is play. My object cricket.
Very good. All sentence negative.
Mohan does not play the cricket. Mohan did not play the cricket. Mohan will not be play the cricket. Mohan
Will not be.
play the cricket. Mohan is not playing the cricket. Mohan was not playing the cricket. Mohan will not be playing the cricket. Mohan has not played the cricket. Mohan had not played the cricket. Mohan will not have played the cricket. Mohan has not been playing the cricket since noon. Mohan had not been playing the cricket since noon. Mohan have not played the cricket playing the cricket since noon.
जैसे in a perfect tenses first two perfect sentence you didn't use third form, and the last sentence that was 12 sentence is not spoken by you. तो there are totally 5 mistakes. ठीक है. Improve for next time. And first of all you tell me what is your subject, main verb and object.
My main subject is Rahul. My main verb is drive. My object is car.
Very good.
Rahul does not drive a car. Rahul does not drive car. Rahul did not drive car. Rahul will not drive car. Rahul is not driving car. Rahul was not driving car. Rahul will not be driving car. Rahul has not driven car. Rahul had not driven car. Rahul will not have driven car. Rahul has not been driving car since morning. Rahul had not driven car since morning. Rahul will not have been driving a car since morning.
All sentences were totally correct, but one sentence was wrong. So by the way, his performance is very good. Not only good, but it is very excellent. So all of you clap for him. And now, first of all, you tell me what is your subject, main verb and object. After that, Make 10 sentence or all 12 sentences negative.
My subject is goldsmith. My main verb is sell, and my object is iron. The goldsmith does not sell iron. The goldsmith did not sell iron. The goldsmith will not sell iron. The goldsmith is not selling iron. The goldsmith was not selling iron. The goldsmith will not be selling iron. The goldsmith has not sold iron. The goldsmith had not sold iron. The goldsmith will not have sold iron. The goldsmith has not been selling iron since morning. The goldsmith had not been selling iron since morning. The goldsmith will not have been selling iron since morning.
Very good. Classes were totally spoken correct. So once more time, give big hands. Your turn, and first of all, you tell me what is your subject, main verb, and object.
Sir, my subject name is Gaurav and main verb win or object match. Gaurav does not win the match. Gaurav did not win the match. Gaurav will not win the match. Gaurav is not winning the match. Gaurav was not winning the match. Gaurav will not be winning the match. Gaurav had not won the match. Gaurav had not won the match. Gaurav will not have won the match. Gaurav has not been winning the match for many days. Gaurav had not been winning the match for many days. Gaurav will not have been winning the match for many days.
Very good. Give big hands. All the sentences were totally correct. ठीक है बेटा, totally corrected थे. तो I would like to once more time clap for her. And first of all, you tell me what is your name? What is your name?
Deepika Sahu.
Deepika Sahu. And after that, you tell me what is your subject, main verb, and object.
My subject is Komal. My main verb is read
Good.
and object not.
Object is not very good. Make negative sentences.
Komal does not read. Komal did not read. Komal will not read. Komal is not reading. Komal was not reading. Komal will not be reading. Komal has not read. Komal had not read. Komal will not have read. Komal has not reading since morning. Komal has not been reading since morning. Komal had not reading since morning. Komal will not have been reading since morning.
Very good. Clap for her. All sentences were totally right. So very good. आज का सेशन रहा. कैसा लगा आपका कोई सेशन आज का? Very good.